Hello all, I am Raghav. I solve logical reasoning questions every day. We would find some fast tricks to break down and understand question faster. Also, we'd add some extra points to understand the question better. So without further ado, let's get started. So today's question, it is based on directions. So let's first read it. The following questions, the symbols hashtag, percentage, at the rate, and star are used with following meanings as illustrated below. Study the following information and answer the given questions. The direction which are given indicates the exact direction. So basically there are four symbols which denotes direction between 2 points, and as per note the directions are exact. So if you see P hashtag Q, that means hashtag indicates Q is in the south direction of P or at a distance of 5 meters. Similarly, percentage indicates north direction 4 meters. Second with respect to first. So second is in the north of first by 4 meters. At the rate is in the east direction at 3 meters. So as you can observe, I am actually skipping the Q and the P part. I am just saying north 3 meters, south 5 meters. That way you can actually make the system faster and get to the understanding faster. Similarly, star indicates in the west direction at a distance of 6 meters. Okay, and if you observe here, it is just a direction here from here on. Hashtag star indicates southwest direction. If you can see hashtag star, so hashtag is south, star is west, so southwest direction. And percentage at the rate indicates northwest direction. To make this much more simpler and better to understand, first thing one should do is draw a compass like this: north, east, west and south. Now if we consolidate this data with the help of compass, we get very simple answers like hashtag indicates south 5 meters, percentage indicates north 4 meters, at the rate indicates east 3 meters, and star indicates west 6 meters. So whenever we have some, for example, this is P and the given is say P hashtag Q. So that means P, draw line, go to Q, and this is your 5 meters. This way we can draw the polygon. It will be much more simpler and better to understand. Moving ahead, let's try to answer the first question. Always remember, this is the most important thing for you, the compass. It will always guide you in the correct direction. So question 1, it says K star L percentage M at the rate N, then find shortest distance between N and Okay, so our target this time around is K and N. Now one part is clear, that we have to plot the diagram for this, the direction diagram. So the best way how to start is most important. Like if you, for that there is a trick. If you see K star L, now star means K is to the east of L. This is very important. K is to the east of L. So the first one should be to the right or near the center. It should never be in the left. So if, for example, if you draw K, if you point K here, then if you want to point L, it will go outside the page. That will be difficult to plot. That's why always plot K to the center or to the right. So if this is K, so K star L, star is L is to the west of K. Sorry, and one more point, should I miss this one? Always while plotting, draw this go towards the center. So I should have left some space at the top as well. So it should be like this, and it is K. Okay. Now L is to the west by 6 meters. So approximately here, this is your L, and this is 6 meters. Now what does it say? L percentage M. Now percentage means north by 4 meters. So north by 4 meters, and we get our M. Now at the rate M at the rate N. So at the rate is east, at the rate is right. So towards right 3 meters, and we get our point N. So we have got both our important points, which are N and K. Now if we plot this, you can see that this is 6 meters, so this will be 3 and this will be 3, and if we join this, we get a right angle triangle with the side being 4, 3. This is same as this. So this is 3, this is 4, and this is hypotenuse. Now as per trigonometry, we need to find a hypotenuse, and that will be distance between N and K. So it is hy is equals to under root of side 1 square plus side 2 squares, that is 4 square plus 3 square, that is equals to under root 16 plus 9, that is equals to under root 25, that is equal to, sorry, I think it went out of the camera. So 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9, that is 25, which is equals to 5. And this is distance NK. So this is how we find the distance. Seems like we missed this part, so I will just repeat it. So the point of view is K should be, if K is to the right side of the, like that is east, then K should be middle or to the right side when starting. And similarly we can draw, and because you know right, bring it to the center, or to the, better to keep it at the center. If you know how high it is going, then you can actually define the diagram. So this is the part of drawing. Now moving ahead to the second question of this category, it says C percentage H, so C percentage at the rate H, percentage J at the rate R. Okay, then R is in which direction with respect to C. So what they are expecting, they need to find what is the at which side R is with respect to C. So let's start. So it shows C is in H is in the northwest, right? No. Yes, it is in the northeast of C. So C will go in the southwest direction, northeast and southwest. So C will go in the southwest direction, that is left bottom. So let's put some C somewhere over here. This is your C. Now let's see next H. So let's just give it like this. This is your H. Now percentage. Now percentage here, I think yes, now it's much more better visible. Now percentage means north direction. So we'll go north by 4 meters. This is 4 and we get our point J. And now we have at the rate. At the rate means to the east by 3 meters. So let's throw it at 3 meters in the east and we get our R. So if we see, it is more, R is more or less for a direction in the northeast direction with respect to C. So we can conclude that therefore R is in the northeast direction with respect to C, and this is our final answer. Similarly, we are going to solve question number 3. It says F @C #B star D #E, then shortest distance between E and F. Okay, so our targets are E and F. Let's mark it E and F. So let's start with it. So we had to first point out where the F should be. F at the rate. So as you can see here, at the rate means to the east. So F will be to the west. At it means it will be to near left side. So left side. So let's put it around the left center. So how about this? This will be our F. Now at the rate C. At the rate C means 3 meters to the right. Okay, easy. 3 meters and we get our point C. Now hashtag means 5 meters to the south. So we go 5 meters approx and we get our point B. Remember to mark it so you won't forget if you have been there or not. Now for the star, it goes left 6 meters. So approximately it should be double of this. So 3 and we get our D, and for E it is hashtag again. So again we go south by 5 meters and we get our point E. Now we have to find distance between E and F. So it will be something like this, and if we extend the center line and join it, we can see it becomes another right angle triangle with base as 3, and if you can observe these, they get 5, 5. So if we take out a triangle, it becomes something like this. With this is 10, this is 3, and this is hypotenuse. So therefore distance EF is equals to under root of 10 square plus 3 square, that is equals to underscore 100 plus 9, that is root 109, and this is our final answer. So let's conclude. Whenever there are questions regarding directions, first thing to be drawn is a compass. Then try to condense the data into simple direction like left, right, down, up. So it will be much more easier to draw the diagrams. Third point to remember is that first check the first two directions, so that you can point it in the correct point of get the first point in the correct location, so that the diagram doesn't get messy or too much complicated and things keep simple. And if you follow this, it will be much more easier for you to solve the questions. Hope you enjoyed it and have a good day.